Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef grill. First, select your preferred beef cut, such as a juicy ribeye or a flavorful sirloin. Next, marinate the beef for at least 30 minutes or even overnight to infuse it with delicious flavors and ensure tenderness. Before placing the meat on the grates, preheat your grill to a consistent medium-high temperature, ideally around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal searing. Achieving those perfect grill marks is key. Start by searing your beef for 2 to 3 minutes on each side to develop a rich, flavorful crust. For precise doneness, always use a meat thermometer. Aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Once cooked, let the beef rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This crucial step allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and moist. To truly elevate your grilled beef, consider adding a smoky dimension. Incorporate wood chips, such as hickory or mesquite, for an incredible aroma and taste. During the final few minutes of grilling, brush your beef with a delicious finishing sauce to add an extra layer of flavor. Pair your perfectly grilled beef with vibrant fresh vegetables or a crisp, light salad for a balanced and satisfying meal. Safety first, always ensure your grilling tools are clean to prevent any cross-contamination. After enjoying your delicious meal, remember to clean your grill grates thoroughly. This simple step helps maintain your grill's longevity and ensures it's ready for your next cookout. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.